So what is the substrate requirement? The substrate requirement, so it is containing the 40 to 60% of 65% of this the sugar substitutes it require. किती 40 ते 60% of this the sugar is a carbon source. It is required for their production of this the penicillin in their fermentation technology. Another point it is that the nitrogen sources. The supplementation of this the nitrogen sources, we are artificially adding the corn liquid, and it is a fulfill requirement of this the nitrogen sources in this that the fermentations. Okay, that is some phosphorus sources. There are also importance, minerals are the also importance. This is a fulfilling that the corn liquid in that the penicillium production technology. Then to the pH. What is the pH requirement of this the production? The requirement of this the pH for their production, that is a 6.5 pH. 6.5 pH it is requirement for their fermentation of this the penicillin. It is a good habitat pH for their penicillin carcinogen or the penicillium notatum. It is a fungal strains. Then to the requirement of this the temperature, that is a 25 to 27 degree Celsius temperature are required. Then to the it is, we are already know that this is a aerobic culture, so it is required the oxygen level like to the 0.5 to the 1.0 ppm volume per ml. 0.5 to 1.0 volume per ml. Okay, here is a aerobic organism. So especially the production process of this the penicillin, they require the submerged level of this the fermentation technology. त्याच्यामध्ये काय करतो आपण, submerged level of the fermentation we are carry out in the penicillin production in this the industrial level. So next point, it is a recovery of penicillin. After this the fermentation is completed, the recovery process it is important for their product isolation. Recovery or harvesting. So we are already discussed in this the penicillin. Okay, it is produced by the fungal species. The fungal species, its speciality is that it is produces the mycelium. Okay, in this the fermentation broth it contains the mycelium cells, other waste material, undigestible nutrients, carbon sources, nitrogen sources, phosphorus sources, and our important products is a penicillin. Okay, so these are the first centrifuge. In the centrifuge, there are the cells are the disruption are the carry out. Then the micelles are also ruptured. After this the centrifugation, the cell debris, the micelles are the removed. The pressurized is the micelles. The some penicillin are the inside of this the micelle. So there are the removing through the pressing. So removing this the penicillin in this the broth. Okay, so this the cell debris, myceliums are the removed after this the centrifugation. Then to the next step, it is a precipitation process. It is carried out for their isolation of this the penicillin. Precipitation. In this the precipitation, we know that the liquid extraction technology, it is also solvent system technology are also. So these technology are using for their precipitation purposes of this the penicillin recovery. Okay, this specially N-butyryl acetate or the methyl ketonate, it is a organic solvent are using for this the penicillin recovery. And this is the slightly change in pH. Slightly change in a pH, it is also helpful for their the agglutination of this the penicillin in that of the broth. Okay, the next process, there are the removing of the impurities. So this the removing of this the impurities, we are using the charcoal carbon. This removing of this the impurities, we are using the carbon, charcoal carbon. So we are know that these the carbons are the absorbing the impurities of that of the broth. So in this the we are first we are precipitate or the carry out. So in this the precipitate we are using the another organic solvent, further only removing the penicillin and the removing the unwanted material in that of the broth. So carbon charcoal, it is also using some pigmented material in this of the broth, so it is removing by the charcoal carbon. Okay, then to the next point, it is a crystallization for removing the water. Next process is a crystallization. In this the crystallization, so vacuum dryer, so air dryer, the different types of the dryer technology is using for removing of the water, because of the water it is a good for their the yield in that of the bacteria. So removing of this the water through the crystallization technology. After this the next process, it is a processing of this the material, packaging, then to the goes to the market level of the marketing of this the product, that is a penicillin. So here we are completed the penicillin production and their harvesting or the recovery. Okay, so next point, discussing the next antibiotics in that of your syllabus. Okay, thank you for this watching this video.